Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And let's talk about something that's really practical. 真的是很日常的东西好了，因为每天都会看到你的脸。有这么可怕吗？很漂亮的啦，别这样子。对，我们今天呢就来教跟脸有关系的词好了，好不好 ？Let's teach people about the face, okay? Things associated with your face because we see our beautiful face every day. 好，脸要干嘛呢？一定要洗脸 ，right? You gotta wash your face. 洗脸。洗面 ，OK， 好像要吃面呢。洗面，洗面的意思啦，对不对？
对对对，就是洗脸啦。
Okay, that means wash your face, all right? Let's make a sentence. When you get back home, you want to wash your face and get ready for your meal, all right? 要赶快去洗脸，准备吃饭。
夹起洗面，準備食飯。
夹起洗面，準備吃飯。All right, that means again, get ready for dinner, but wash your face first. 好，那这个海陆腔怎么说呢？
洗脸吗？
顺便教一下咯。
好，洗面。
真的要吃面了，跟 eating noodles 越来越像了。洗面 ，OK， that's a different dialect for washing your face. 像刚刚这样子讲啊，我就脸红了。Blushing, OK， 很多时候可能是因为不好意思脸红啦，
或是热啊，
热也会脸红啊，或者是喝一些东西也会脸红。好，脸红怎么说？面粉 ，OK， 要面粉了。现在我怎么一直想到面跟吃的有关的东西？面粉 ，that means blushing，OK， 他很容易脸红。He blushes easily.
佢動會面粉。
佢動會面粉 ，that means that guy blushes very easily. Ooh, and I know this is something that all the ladies love doing out there. 很多女生们呢都很喜欢做这件事情，希望每个礼拜都至少一次，对不对？
周面，
你看你是女生就知道，可能不止哦，一个礼拜2-3次有没有？
不是只有女生喜欢，男生也会喜欢。
男生好像开始也会。
对呀。
Doing a facial, OK， 做脸怎么说？
周面。
周面 ，OK， 又要搓面了。对，做脸呢会让皮肤变好。Having facials actually conditions your skin.
周面皮肤会变好。
周面皮肤会变好 ，OK， again, it's conditioning your skin.
你应该有
真的吗？其实我很少做脸因为不需要。好恶心吗？真的吗 ？And that's it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼睇㗎？
按子say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.